Yeah, come over here. Come over here. This is very sad. Brian's gonna have it in 2 weeks.
Then I'll be filming you!
Brian, this will be us in 2 weeks. You and me in here.
Where's she gonna Mama, Brian you with her haircut! I think you can put the shirt on. I don't want to, I'm going to sleep. Yeah, but you need one to sleep in, don't you?
No.
Yeah, put on a shirt to sleep in. Yeah, it would be better.
The person you recruited, we'll call him or her Generation 1, brings in a friend or relative acquaintance, which is now Generation 2 to you. For every sale that Generation 2 person makes, you receive a 3% override, and the person you recruited in Generation 1 receives 7%. You go on from there.
Hi.
When your Generation 2 person recruits a friend, acquaintance, etc., that person then becomes your Generation 3, and you receive 2% on that. You go on from there. The fourth person down the line is now Generation 4.
I couldn't find it.
That's a nice assembly the millions have done for us lately.
In fact, only a select number will experience this Ford interior and performance.
Hi, good evening to you.
The new limited production Ford Taurus.
My husband Lyndon and I are sorry we couldn't be with you this evening, but we appreciate it if you'd plant a tree or a shrub or a bush just inside that Irish ass that your father keeps talking about.
I said, you didn't call me for money, did you? He said, no, I just called Carl for money. He had finished his list. Well, she was at wherever she was at. I didn't mean to run your son off. I just meant to run him out of his chair. That's in case I don't care to be recognized.
So what did Bill have to... Oh! Is that because you knew my beauty was going to dazzle you and I came downstairs?
Well, a little both. You see, we don't always know whether or not we want to be recognized on these tapes. We can just hardly keep our face away from the camera.
Do you want to know what Bill called?
What did Bill call?
Just wanted to know if the farting contest is
Well, with this red wine, it might turn into something a little bit more drastic, less pleasant, and totally out of line with
Oh, Kevin. I don't approve of any of
Well,
For the record, I want you to know that this
now I know why she has her boots on, so she can wade out at any time. Well,
that too.
well deserved.
where is it?
Love the Bill call.
You want to sing? I love to sing.
Sure, let's. Well, sir, we'll say. Chief in charge of public relations at Southwestern Bank. He called Sheila when he hung up from us. I said, have you got the number? He says, yeah, I called Carl. I got all the phone numbers. And he says, doesn't sound like there's a party going on over there. I told Kevin, nicest things the Brazilians have done for me in a long time.
That is nice. That was a good word. I'm glad you
You
did.
know,
Kevin, behave yourself.
actually, young, she was what, 5, 6?
Oh, I think more like 3 or 4.
Yeah.
Just a baby. Just another baby. Here's my daddy and my Uncle Jim. Your daddy good looking. Let me see.
Who's which?
Daddy.
Uh-huh. 7 years ago.
Couple. And this is Uncle Jim. this either college or high school graduation.
Yeah, which uncle is he?
Uncle who became a
He's
priest.
the one.
The one that,
He's the one that became a priest and then didn't.
that's the one.
I see.
And here's Daddy when he's a little boy. University of Texas.
Oh, my.
In the 40s. Isn't she cute? The kids at school. Well, of course, that's kid right key. I don't know what it would be.
Oh, we just drop it an octave.
Recognize it yet?
Kind of.
Wait a minute.
I knew it was going to do that. Dun, 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 dun. And here we go. Jada, jada, jing, jing, jing. 2, 3, 4. Jada. Jada. Jada, jada, jing, jing, jing. That's all I know.
It's so soothing and appealing to me.
Jada. Jada. Jada, jada, jing, jing, jing. I can sing it like Jessel does. Where's my cigar? Cigar. Where's my cigar?
Here we have some
I can
things
sing lots of
like lots of these.
Yeah.
Okay. Father, let me bewildered. Father, let me bewildered. I'm lost. Love the harmony. Nice.
Have trouble finding it, have trouble holding it.
Oh,
My
wait,
voice is
no.
giving out.
You were doing it.
Flat, flat, flat.
Hopes to add a fifth Heisman Trophy to this group as he leads his USC Trojans against the Bruins in a Pac-10 championship game for the Roses. We will bring you that game Saturday, live, starting with our coverage at 12 noon Eastern Time, 9 o'clock Pacific Time, with Michigan and Ohio State, followed immediately by USC and UCLA.
In my hand, life without care. Oak, it's oak.
That's it.
That's why the lady is up. That's why the lady is up. That's why the lady is a T-R-A-M-P. Tramp.
One smile that cheers your night. One face that lights up in there.
Good,
That's
good.
it. One thing that lights when it's dear to you. One man you're ever.
Oh, look, they give you a choice.
That's right. You're really liberal. Book.
Wonderful.
If you get it, comes and goes in a minute. Where's the real stuff in life to cling to? Love is the answer. Someone to love is the answer. Once you've found him, build your world around him. Make someone happy. Make
That's
just
exactly my key.
someone happy, and you will be happy too.
3, 4.
There it is.
In Washington, the Transportation Department today imposed controversial new rules for drug testing of workers in aviation.
Not if you care for me. Let her stay Each day is
Yes.
I like that song. Oh, I don't know this song. You know?
I don't never heard of it.
My congratulations.
What's she doing?
Oh, that's the microphone. Well, it just looked interesting.
Oh, that's good.
You know.
This ABC Sports exclusive is being brought to you by Nicholas.
That's the only road that I long to cross. Right, something like that.
You and me, we
No,
sweat
that's
and
here.
strain.
Wait, that's here, that's
Bodies aching
That's
and
here.
racked with pain.
That's here.
Oh,
That's
wait,
yeah,
well.
that's later.
Rolling along, and I hope Walter Cootie went to sleep early tonight. What a god-awful rendition of that. I've heard worse, but I don't remember.